Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks that you can do in order to have faster startup in your Windows 10 machine. First one is to disable startup programs. These are the programs that starts when the machine boots up and takes some time in loading up. So to find these programs, go to Task Manager. You can use Ctrl Alt Delete or Ctrl Shift Escape, but I am using here and go to this Task Manager. And you can see, click here Startup button. Now you can see the enabled status of some programs. Right click and disable all those that are not required, and also check for the BIOS time here. Like this will be used to compare now and after this video, like how much time it take to start. So I'm gonna disable the Skype is not really useful for me. Any disk disable. Like this you can disable this. Next one is to enable fast startup. This can be done by going to settings, go to system, and then power and sleep, then go additional power settings, and here you can see one button saying choose what power button does, and in this here you can see turn on fast startup. For accessing that one you need to click this change settings that are currently unavailable, then you can enable this one. Now the third one is you can reset your Windows 10 machine if the OS is taking too much to boot. Go to settings and then search for reset, then click on this get started resetting your PC. Then here two options will come. One is to keep your files, or another one is to remove everything. I recommend for this keep my files and then just reset your PC. All the programs that are going to be like installed will be stayed there. Then just finally click on finish and your Windows is safely reset to its original configuration. Hoping this video helps in managing you to get faster this time. If you have any problem, then comment down below in the comment section and I will try to solve that issue. Leave a like if you like this video. Bye.